right, take a look at this one. Just in, now available to purchase. 1972 Chevelle SS Tribute. This particular car would have started life as a Malibu Sports Coupe. As you can tell on the data tag by body code 13637. So this is a Chevelle SS Tribute. Although this car is numbers matching, still powered by the original block. So it is a numbers matching engine. Would have came with this car from Chevrolet back in 1972, although the engine has been rebuilt into a 355. Very healthy, good sounding engine. Power steering, power brakes. Also underneath the hood, so nicely equipped. That's paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As you can see, the paint on this car is very nice shape. This particular car spent 20 years of its life with the same owner slash family. So well maintained, well cared for car. Also been made into a Chevelle SS Tribute. It's a very nice looking car riding on weld aluminum racing wheels. You have good rich radial TAs. Interior is also redone along the line. Has bucket vinyl seats in it now. Horseshoe shifter, center console. Dash is a nice shape. Couple aftermarket gauges added underneath there, and a little different stereo put in it. Take a look down the driver's side here. You can see that it's nice and straight. Door fits nicely. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, get an idea what it looks like underneath the hood, the underside of the car, interior, check out those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. And like always, you can feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this. Maybe you're wondering about transportation to where you're located at. We can help with shipping the car to you and assist with transportation all over the country. A little more about this car. It does have 390 rear gears in it, 12-bolt rear end. It's got the 3-chamber Flowmaster exhaust, very nice sounding exhaust. Give you a little more details about the car. Like I said, feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. This is a 72 Chevelle SS Tribute. Slip around this other side, we'll start it up. A little cold-blooded, so we'll let it warm up, and you can hear the engine idle. Door cards, interior. Also very presentable and very nice shape. It does have a K&N air filter on it. That's a cleaner, renewer for the air filter. In the back of the car. Again, nice vinyl. Very nice car to either show, take to your local cruise-ins, or stop for those Sunday drives, have a little fun. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Warm up here just a little bit. Get a chance to check out the interior. That aftermarket stereo, a couple of gauges and a cluster. Looks like oil pressure, water temp. Little dash or tack has been added to the steering column there. Get an idea how nice this car sounds. There, we should be good. Warmed up. Door closes nicely. Come around to the back. Nice little rumble. Eye that V8 under the hood. I'm going to pause this video a second too and pop that hood so you can see it, what that engine bay looks like. Hear it run, very smooth running engine. Alright, there you go. MSD ignition is also been added underneath here. Lots of chrome. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. You can hear how smooth that runs. It has been rebuilt, but it is the original engine of this car. I confirmed that it is numbers. The VIN derivative on the block does match the VIN number of the car. Just how smooth that runs. Also nice and tidy under there too. There you have it, 1972 Chevelle SS Tribute. Started life with a Malibu Sport Coupe. Original engine, built to a 355. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, check out any of those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.